your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So today guys, we are going to be making some red beans and rice with some smoked neck bones. Okay, so I haven't done a cooking tutorial in a minute, but I saw this recipe on Kimmy's Creations. I don't know if you guys follow her on Instagram, but I'll put her thing here. But I saw her post this recipe and I was like, oh, that looked good. I don't know the last time I had red beans and rice, but I had it in New Orleans when we went years ago. But I don't like to get it from Popeyes. I don't know, it don't taste right to me. But when I saw that, I'm like, oh, that's a good recipe to make. So I said I'm gonna make it. Now, before we get into this tutorial, guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you'll get a notification every time I make a video. So yeah, and join along, join the channel, okay? Join iamTiara, okay? So I'm gonna get right into it and let's show y'all everything that you need. All right, so I'm going to cut up some red and green peppers and some onion. I have some diced up already that I want to use. So I actually want to use all of this because I want to get rid of these peppers. So you want to have red, green, and some onions. So I'm just going to chop these up and dice them up. I just cut my damn finger. I literally just sharpened that blade. I think I'm gonna see if I could try to prank my boyfriend. Hold on.
I'm ridiculous.
You at Melvin House?
Huh?
You at Melvin House?
Yeah.
I cut my finger off.
You what?
I cut my finger off.
Man.
I'm serious.
Take a picture of FaceTime.
Come, it's wrapped up. It's blood all over the floor.
Oh my god. Man, where your finger?
It's wrapped up. I cut my finger. I just sharpened the knife and I cut my finger.
Man, bro, what you up to?
I'm cooking. I was making a video.
Let me see. Cause it felt like you trying to play a prank on me.
I can never prank you. Alright, y'all, so I got some beans that I let sit overnight and some garlic, and then I got some smoked neck bones. I'm gonna clean these for like 30 minutes because you know pork is real dirty, so I'm gonna clean that about 30 minutes in some vinegar and some boiling hot water that I got on the stove over there. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna get started on this stuff. So this is all the vegetables, including this. I'm gonna use all of this because I love me some peppers. Okay, so yeah. All right, y'all, I also got some andouille sausage that I'm gonna cut up. This is the best andouille sausage ever. So I'm gonna cut these up and dice them up and we're gonna get this thing started. All right, so now I got my oil, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna add some butter. Alright, so I'm going to add the andouille sausage to the pot. And I'm going to let that cook. And then I'm also going to add my peppers. So you got the green and onions right here. And then the other ones that I cut up is going to be in there as well. Because the peppers make that flavor. Okay? Nice flavor. So I'm just going to add that into the pot. Alright, so now it's time to season. So I added some green seasoning, some minced garlic, some complete seasoning, some garlic powder, And y'all, it looks like a lot, but it's really not that much, I promise. Because I don't really use salt like that, because I just use the regular seasoning. And then slap your mama seasoning. Of course, get that nice Cajun seasoning flavor going on. Now I'm just adding some flour so it can get nice and thick. Alright, boom. So next we're gonna add these beans to this pot, honey, because we about to get things started for real. Because now we're about to add that meat, that smoked meat, and then we're gonna pour some chicken stock over it. So the smokiness in that chicken stock is gonna bring some nice, good old flavors. When I say flavors, I mean flavors. I wish I could smell it through the pot. So I'm just gonna pour this whole thing over it, and then I'm gonna put the lid on and let it simmer until the meat falls off the bone. All right, y'all. So the food is done.
Woo, woo.
Do you like it?
I ain't had it yet.
Well, you tried it.
I don't need no taste test. I need the whole shebang, the whole shabbat.
All right, so I'm going to plate the food, and then I'm gonna have him try it on camera for y'all.
Man, I ain't bougie. Bougie, wee wee.
Hold on, let me show y'all.
Pas bougie.
Somebody hungry. It's good?
Yeah, that's one.
It's good?
Show your ride. I've been going to the one they can sell these. You want some hot sauce?
Let it taste. You put your hot sauce on it?
Back in Mississippi. No. We ate neck bone. Yeah, it's good.
Alright, guys. So this is the recipe. I like it. This is something I'm adding to my list of recipes that I'll make. Dinner ideas.
When we was young, we put that old yellow.
Oh my gosh. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.